Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Chest. Today we're going to learn how to create new worksheets and how to switch between them in Excel using NVDA. If you ever need more personalized help, I offer one-on-one demonstrations. You can find all the details in my bio section. Let's first start by creating a new worksheet. When Excel opens, press Enter on New Blank Workbook. A brand new workbook will open on Sheet 1. This is the first new worksheet in the workbook. NVDA will announce something like Sheet 1, A1. Now let's insert a new sheet into the workbook. Press Alt plus Q. The Microsoft prompt will appear and you can type your query in the Edit field. Type the words Insert Sheet and use the arrow keys to move to Insert Worksheet, then press Enter to accept. To switch between sheets, press F6 to cycle through areas, then use the arrow keys to select your desired sheet and press Enter. That's it for this NVDA tip. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more of these handy tips and tricks with NVDA. Till next time.